and better than how it did before. Trust me. Because of this will happen. But the only problem with Jamaican at the moment, all right? The only problem with Jamaican at the moment, where I said Jamaican people need to come out of this boardhouse thing. Boardhouse. Stop build boardhouse in Jamaica. All right? Yes, Jamaica is a hot country. Stop build boardhouse. All right? Now, Jamaica is a hot country and we have earthquake and hurricane. Two things we hit Jamaican all the time. Forget about a typhoon or whatever you want to call it. Or a tornado. Tornado. Tornado doesn't hit Jamaica. So there's two categories we hit Jamaica all the time. Hurricane and and earthquake. So what Jamaica need for do, the Jamaican government need for come out of the borders thing. Alright? Concrete is a little bit 50-50. I start to go into what?